Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are safe at home, vaccinated, not going out necessarily, wearing masks. And if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe. And please do subscribe to my channel. I need my subscribers to get up. थोड़ा stagnant है. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So आज का जो video है वो एक favorites video है. So जब भी मैं बाहर जाती हूँ the only products that I put on my face, ऐसे generally अगर बाहर जाती हूँ just for shopping or for a lunch, ऐसे ही अगर घूमने तो बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट्स पुटअप करना पसंद है मुझे. आई पुट अ गुड मॉइस्चराइजर, tinted moisturizer, mostly this, the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. I really like it. I put it, and the only three makeup things that I put on my face are my highlighter, lipstick and mascara. I put a bold red lipstick, I put some highlighters and mascara. So मेरे top 5 आज तीनों का मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ. My top 5 favorite highlighter, my top 5 red lipsticks and mascara. I'll start with mascara because it's सामने है. So the first one is without any मतलब कोई ranking नहीं, बस पसंदीदा top 5. The first one is the Lotus Eco Stay Mascara. It's a very nice mascara. It's a little tacky because tacky mascaras अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे. So this is the wand is really curved, so it just coats properly. अच्छी तरह से कोट करता है. So this is the Lotus Eco Stay. I'll write the price of all the products somewhere on the screen. The next one is the Nika K Curl and Volume Waterproof Mascara. This is also a very nice mascara. I've been using it for quite a long time. So इसका वॉन्ड भी थोड़ा सा कर्व है कि बहुत अच्छा लगता है, वाटरप्रूफ है. सो इफ़ यू स्वेटिंग, इफ़ यू आउट पार्टिंग, सो ये बहुत अच्छा काम देता है. सो दिस इज़ द निका के कर्ल एंड वॉल्यूम वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा. The next one is my all-time favorite Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in Black Beauty. So this is a good mascara for your lower lashes क्योंकि इसका वॉन्ड बहुत प्रिसाइज है. तो ये मस्कारा मोस्टली मैं लोअर लैशेस में यूज़ करती हूँ. प्रिसाइज स्मॉल बॉन्ड, वेरी इजी टू अप्लाई ऑन टू योर लोअर लैशेस. इट्स गुड, ब्लैक एंड वाटरप्रूफ. The last two mascaras are from Maybelline. The first one being the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. I love its wand. It's very nice. It just lengthens the mascara on your eyes really well. So this is the first one. The second one is the same Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara, but this is not waterproof one. So same wand, थोड़ा टेक्सचर्ड है, थोड़ा कर्व्ड है, बहुत अच्छा मस्कारा है. I really like it. So these are my top 5 favorite mascaras. I will now show you my top 5 favorite highlighters. The first one is the Nika K Inca highlighter. This is very similar to the Fenty Beauty's gold one. I don't remember the name, but it's very similar. Not like the look wise, not in texture. I haven't used it, of course. But look wise, it's very similar. As you can see, it's gold. I'll just swatch it here. And you can see it just gold shines really well. This is the first one. The second one and my most favorite is the Face Forward Highlighter Stick Bronze Bewilder from Sugar. It's a beautiful rose gold kind of a shade. It really performs well on any type of skin. Really well priced, and I really love it. This is my favorite. The next one is the LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder. This is also kind of a rose gold shade. Bronzy, very similar, rose gold. I don't know if the light catches, but it's also very well priced. This is called Summer Sun. This is from LA Colors. I really like it. The next one is, of course, the Master Chrome in rose gold color. This is very new. I have used it a few times. I'll just swatch it for you. This is also a rose gold color, so clearly I like a rose gold highlighter. If you can see the shine, beautiful. The last one, of course, is the Sugar Gold Gold. This is a gold highlighter from Sugar. This is a jelly one. My son is really worried because I've been here for a long time. So this is very pretty, very pretty. So these are my favorite highlighters, of course. Then I'll move on to the lipstick real quick because I have to wind this video up. My son is crying. So yeah, 1 second. So yeah, my son was crying. I just calmed him down. So red, my favorite lipstick color is every time red. I love a bold lip. If I'm not putting any makeup, like today I have done this makeup look for a video. So it's a glittery bold eye. So I've put a very corally shade. But I love red. So my first red is from Bella Voste, the Perfect Pout. This is called 01 Red Bomber. Beautiful red. It has a purple tinge to it, which makes it even prettier. This is matte completely, beautiful, and really affordable. I don't know the price. I'll put it somewhere on the screen definitely, but really affordable. I got it from Purple. And so my next red lipstick is the Lotus Herbals 01 Hot. I'm really sorry. Color Bar 01 Hot. So this is a typically red color. Beautiful red. It is a satin finish lipstick. I really like it. It's very hydrating on the lips, and I really like it. This has a purple tinge to it. It is completely a red lipstick. The next one is, of course, my all-time favorite, Smudge Me Not from Sugar. This is 01 Raisin. This is also a red matte. It's beautiful. It's a very pretty red. I really like it on my lips. I just love this color. Again, Smudge Me Not, it comes in a pack of 4 lipsticks for $7.99 and एक शायद $3.99 or $4.99 पड़ता है. It's very affordable again, and Sugar is my all-time favorite. You give me any brand, but Sugar is my all-time favorite. I love Sugar. The next one is the matte lip from Swiss Beauty. This is called S24. This is a liquid lipstick again. Very pretty red. It has a maroon tinge to it, but it's really pretty. These two are very similar and very nice. This is a matte lipstick again. It just turns matte after some times. It's very pretty, beautiful. And the last but not the least is my very new buy. This claims to be similar to the Ruby Woo. My Ruby Woo is done with. I finished my Ruby Woo. It's almost over and I'm very sad. I want to buy it. I'll buy it during my birthday. That's a good time. But yeah, so this is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. The number is 01 to the fullest. It claims to be very similar to Ruby Woo. Yes, it is. It has an orange tinge to it. It is. I'll put it on my lips and show it to you. So this is definitely closest to Ruby Woo. आजकल लिपस्टिक लगाने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है क्योंकि मास्क में रहते हैं हम लोग, but still I love lipstick and love buying lipsticks. So yeah, I am very quick with this video. This is a very short video. So these are my favorite highlighters, mascaras and lipsticks. I mostly don't like putting a lot of makeup when I'm going out for a lunch, for dinners or for shopping or with my friends or with my husband and son. अगर मैं पार्टी जा रही हूँ या फिर इफ़ आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ वेडिंग, मैं थोड़ा सज धज के अच्छी तरह से सज धज के जाना पसंद करती हूँ. बट लाइक दिस, ऐसे अगर कहीं भी निकलती हूँ तो आई जस्ट पुट अ मस्कारा, लिटिल हाईलाइटर एंड अ बोल्ड रेड लिपस्टिक. एंड उसके अलावा नीचे फेस पे आई जस्ट पुट अ प्राइमर, highlighting primer or a highlighting moisturizer. This one, the Swiss Beauty one, I'll link it down. I spray some setting spray and I am done. So yeah, I'm very glad that I'm able to give informations for my favorite. My makeup products are really affordable, very drugstore, very easily available in the market and online. So I definitely like certain high-end makeup product. Like I had a MAC Ruby, I have a MAC lipstick, another color, it's a little lighter, very pretty color. I'll show it to you somewhere. I don't remember the name of it. I do have Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette which I got it as a gift. I'll show it to you someday. I haven't opened it yet, but yeah, I just like affordable makeup क्योंकि मेरा बेटा एक तो बहुत छोटा है and he just opens my cupboard and he has smashed one of my blushes, but thank god it's a little affordable. It's from Blue Heaven and it was really very cheap, so it's a great blush but it was really less priced. So नहीं दुख हुआ इतना ज़्यादा, बहुत दुख हुआ बट इतना ज़्यादा नहीं दुख हुआ अगर मेरा हुडा ब्यूटी का लिपस्टिक या मेरे पास अगर बॉबी ब्राउन का लिपस्टिक या कुछ और हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट होते और वो टूट जाते तो मुझे बहुत दुख होता. जैसे कि अगर आपके पास आईफोन है और वो टूट जाता है या क्रैक आ जाता है तो आपको बहुत दुख होता है, बट अगर आपके पास एक नॉर्मल सा फोन है आपको इतना ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं होता है जितना एक आईफोन को. So because my son is really small, I am not in for or up for buying high-end makeup products. I buy affordable makeup products. I love buying makeup. I buy a lot of makeup every month. कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर खरीदती हूँ मैं. My husband is fed up of me getting a parcels. शाम को जब वो घर आते हैं नीचे हमारे जो गार्ड भैया हैं उनसे पकड़ के लेके आते हैं parcels. He's fed up of me. And one second. I got up to get this book. So one second. So this book is a new book that I have got up from Amazon. I will link it in the description box. This book is a thought process of this little girl Preeti Mohanty, my cousin, my sister, and Ashutosh Mohanty, my brother. So both of them are really close to my heart. They're little people, and so they have written such a wonderful book. And please do buy this book because they are selling this book for a great cause. One is this is Sai Baba's book, and Sai Baba is our friend, our guide, our parent, and everything. He is really close to all of our hearts, and there are stories of various people, their experiences with Sai Baba. So you can buy this book. Please ये book खरीदिए. Amazon पे है. This is just 99 rupees, and all the money that has been इन दिस बुक से, इस बुक से जो भी पैसा इकट्ठा हो रहा है वो सारा पैसा हम लोग मेरी बहन और मेरे भाई वी आर गिविंग इट टू द पीपल हु आर स्ट्रक बाय पैंडमिक में जिन लोगों का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है उन लोग को दे रहे हैं. सो फॉर अ गुड कॉज बाय दिस बुक. आई लिंक इट डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. आई विल बी really happy if you buy this book and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll be really happy, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. God bless you. I love you all.